Introducing Passionariang mabaho Passiflora foetida of the family Passifloraceae. Passionariang mabaho is a herbaceous, hairy vine with slender and rounded stems. Leaves are ovate to oblong-ovate with acute tip and cordate base to 9 centimeters long with shallowly three-lobed margins. Flower is solitary, white to light pink to 3 centimeters in diameter with 3 prominent bracts. Fruit is ovoid, inflated, orange, and up to 5 centimeters long. Passionaria mabaho is native to tropical America. It was introduced to the Philippines probably during the Spanish period. It is a weed in waste places, but occasionally planted as an ornamental. Passionariang mabaho is a plant with a rich history of ethno-medicinal use, with various parts of the plant being used to treat a range of health ailments. It highlighted the diversity of traditional uses of the plant, including its use as a calming agent, digestive aid, and treatment for skin diseases. The scientific evidence supporting the medicinal properties of Passionaria mabaho is promising, with studies identifying bioactive compounds that may contribute to its anxiolytic, sedative, and anti-inflammatory effects.